Hi-Fi Tech and Entertainment channel. In today's video, I'm going through some essential steps to started with SAP Business Technology Platform. First, I will cover the how to configure the entitlements in your SAP BTP sub account. So it will show you how to allocate the necessary resources to ensure your application need to run very effectively. And next, I will guide you through how to enabling the Cloud Foundry runtime in your SAP BTP. So it which is the critical steps for deploying an application on this platform. Finally, I will go through how to create an instance for SAP BTP cockpit. So it will take you an advantage of the powerful database service that offers SAP. So by the end of the video, you have fully configured environment to start building and running your applications in the BTP platform. So now I will show you how to configure the entitlements. So to develop any applications, we need some services. So now I will show you how to configure all these services. For that, go to your BTP trailer account, navigate to the trailer home page. Once you navigate this, in the left side panel, we have an option called entitlements. In here, we have to configure all these 6 services. So already I configured here. Just I will show you how to add that. We have to click on edit button, then add the service plan. So here we have to add the Cloud Foundry everything. For example, now I'm going to show you how to add the Cloud Foundry. See, Cloud Foundry runtime. Once you select this and click on add service plans. Like this way, we have to add Cloud Foundry, Build Work Zone, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP Schema and HDI containers, these all things. Here you can see all. Now I am going to search HANA. See, once you configured all these things, go to your overview page. There, click on the entitlements. There you can see all the configurations what you are added. See, now added already Cloud Foundry, job scheduling, SAP HANA Cloud like this. So once the configuration step is done, now I will show you how to enable the Cloud Foundry. What this Cloud Foundry environment will do is, this Cloud Foundry has all this thing is already located in your sub account. If you develop any application, you can deploy this app to your Cloud Foundry. For that, we have to create a dev space. For that, two ways we can create the dev space. The first way is here we have an option Cloud Foundry spaces. Then click on create dev space. We have to give some name, create. Now your dev space will be created. Like this, we have to create the dev space for the Cloud Foundry. Once you create that, go to your overview page and in the Cloud Foundry environment, you can see that here. Once that is done, make sure that thing will be, this Cloud Foundry environment will be enabled or not. If it is not enabled, navigate to overview, click on the Cloud Foundry environment. Here we have an option called enable Cloud Foundry. Already I enabled it, so it is showing the disabled things. Like this way, we have to enable to your Cloud Foundry. The next step, what we are going to do is, I am going to subscribe the SAP HANA Cloud Administrator tool. What is use of this is, it will create an instance for your HANA database system. For that, go to service. Within that, service marketplace. Within the search option, just type SAP HANA Cloud. See, already I created the instance for this. So if you are doing first time, what you have to do is click on create. Here within the plan, you have to choose tools. See, already I subscribed. If you're doing first time, enter the tools, click on create. Once it is done, you can check that thing in your overview page. Instance and subscriptions. See, here already the HANA Cloud subscription is done. So once it is done, what you have to do is you have to add the security role. For that, go to your security section, click on role collection. Here you have to choose SAP HANA Cloud Administration. So for this already added the role, just I'm showing you how to add the user roles. Like this, you have to add, click on edit. If you choose default identify supplier, then you have to enter the email ID. Only these things will be, this role will support to your HANA backend database system. Now you can see the role. Only this user mail ID can log in to your HANA system and it will create the instance. Once click on save, go to your services instance subscription part. Now I will show you how to create a SAP HANA Cloud Service instance. For that, just navigate to your SAP HANA Cloud. If you are doing this first time, just log out here and here and log in. Why? Because first time if you are doing, maybe it will show you don't have an authorization to do these steps. That's why because now itself you configured everything newly, right? After that this refresh is not happen. For that purpose you have to do this. Here it will create an instance. For that what we have to do is click on create instance, choose SAP HANA Cloud HANA database, give some instance name. So already I given this one, already it's there, so just added some s, and here we have to give the password. Only for this it will support. So before maintaining the password, my suggestion is throughout the BTP maintain same passwords. Then click on next step. So here we have an option called data providing service. So here it will ask you what type of connections it will allow. Now I'm choosing allow all IP address. So it will be helpful for me to work on any system. Then next step, review and create an instance. The creation of instance, it will take some minutes to complete this. Now this SAP HANA Cloud Service is here. You see how to create the instance, and once it is done, navigate back to your overview page and go to the general instance and subscriptions. Here you can see that the create instance one. See. So it is created. In next step, I will show you how to deploy this, how to use this in your BAS and deploy it to your Cloud Foundry. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.